What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about CCIV and Lucid motors. Before we do get into the video, please hit that subscribe button if you are new, and also give this video a like. I can't believe we're on 602 subscribers, like that's crazy guys. Thank you so much for the support, and thank you for all the comments that you've been giving me and all the feedback and everything. It's amazing. So before we get into some of the news or the things I found recently with Lucid motors and CCIV, I do want to get into a bit of technical analysis and look at the chart and see where it's heading. Is it breaking the trend line? What is it doing? Let's have a look. Before I add in this video as well, I'm actually doing a few swing trades this week, so I wasn't sure if I should make a video on it and show you guys how I'm getting on, if I did well with the swing trades or not. I am thinking of doing a series, I'm not sure when, but I want to do a series on road to £1,000 or something, like, do you know what I mean? And be very transparent on the trades I'm making and everything. So leave in the comments if you want me to do that, and also give this video a like. So yeah, I'll do that. So looking on the graph on the screen right now, we are on the 3-hour chart, and it seems to be following this green trend line. It seems to be hitting almost on that trend line, and it probably is if I go on the 4-hour. Let's have a look. Yeah, so the 4-hour, it's a bit more, well, on the 4-hour it looks like it is hitting that green trend line. It's acting like a support area, which is very interesting. Obviously the MACD levels are going to be fairly high because this isn't a usual stock. We're trading on rumours really, so the MACD is always going to be quite fairly high, but it does look like, if you look at past history, the MACD is going to cross soon for a bit more upswing to the upside with this stock. But like I said, it's very hard to do technical analysis with a stock like Churchill Capital because it's just trading on rumours and excitement. I've also drawn two blue lines where there could be good entry points if it ever drops down to there. Not saying that it's going to, obviously, because it would have to fall a fair bit. The first one would be $29. That's the first support area that I can see would be amazing to buy into, possibly. And then also the best support area, the price target to buy at would be $25 a share. But don't take that as financial advice. That's just me suggesting where I would possibly buy into. But you've also got to remember, if it got to $25 a share, I reckon there could have been some bad news or something. I don't know, that would have to drop a fair bit to get to that. Just checking on the 1-hour, you can see the MACD is going to cross very soon, showing that there could be some upside. So it'll be interesting to see how today goes, and this week really, but today will be an interesting one. Can we break the all-time highs? It'd be very interesting. So as you guys know, I did actually stupidly buy, I believe, the $33 area, which is around there on the screen, and I didn't follow my own trend line. As you can see on the screen, it was predicted that it was going to go back to that trend line, and even if you look at the MACDs, it looks like it was going to just completely kind of collapse a bit, and it did. I just ignored it because I was like, I want to get some more in. So it ended up bringing my average position to $28. It's so annoying. And while I talk about that, actually, let's have a look at how my CCIV shares are doing. So at the moment, I've got 69 shares still with CCIV. We're up 16% with £233 return, which is pretty nice. The FX impact minus £20, that ain't good, is it? That's well annoying. But it's at $33 at the moment. So as you can see on the screen right now, there was a tweet February 5th, 2021 to Lucid Motors saying, when can I expect to see the Lucid Air in Norway? And they said European deliveries will begin in late 2021. So that's awesome to note that deliveries will be happening late 2021, as a lot of people are like saying they haven't delivered any cars yet, and that's a good thing to see, that they will be starting deliveries end of 2021, and especially in Europe, as in Europe it is quite popular having an EV, and we'll get into that. Lucid Motors came out swinging at all EV competition with the debut of its Air sedan last fall. Lucid's Air prototype beat a Tesla Model S performance in a quarter-mile race. This immediately captured the attention of EV fandom. And obviously, as we know, they are going to be starting with the starting price of $161,000, and then once as there's higher margins, more money to be made on the bigger priced cars, and then they'll drop down to the $87,000 in late 2021, and then the Air Pure starts at $69,900. But we won't see that till 2022, which we also did know about. So considering someone tweeted asking when Lucid will start doing deliveries in Europe, I'm going to tweet asking when is the CCIV merge going to actually happen, and let's see what they get back to me. Right, so I'll let you guys know what they say back to me. If you subscribe, I'll share it in my next video once they've replied, okay? I'm joking, they're not going to reply back to that. I wish. I think someone's already tried that on Twitter and it didn't work. Alright, Europe. Unlike other key EV markets, Europe has seen significant EV growth. In 2019, sales increased by 44%, the highest rate since 2016. The European Union's new emission standard, 95 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometre for passenger cars, could also boost EV sales because it stipulates that 95% of the fleet must meet this standard in 2020 and 100% in 2021. BEV sales picked up speed substantially with a 70% growth rate, propelled by three models: the Tesla Model 3, the Hyundai and the Audi e-tron. If Lucid can start delivering in 2021, late 2021, that would be awesome. So we've had 2 more institutions buying today. So that at the moment we've got 71 institutional buyers for CCIV, which is a lot considering this is only rumours. So it's Toronto Dominion Bank, so Sealouse Asset Management LSC. So that's it really. I thought I'll share you this video and show you some of the information I found. Leave in the comments what you think. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. We talk about Palantir news, NEO, all sorts really. So yeah, subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video.